Okay guys, hello guys. In this video we are solving HackerRank SQL queries. This is a series of HackerRank SQL queries and we have already almost about to get our second batch. Query this list of city. Select city from station. Do not end with vowels. Oh wow, this is city and your result cannot contain. So where city not like. A city not like, we'll use the same regex function. Starting can be anything, so dot and then dot star, and then it can ending with AEI. U and dollar symbol. Okay, let's try to run this. If I hope there is no syntax errors. There's a problem. Oh, I am missing this part. Not dot star on this code. Okay, ending put a dollar symbol here. Awesome guys. So a little bit of effort here, not ending with city names that do not end with vowels. Do not like, not are like. Okay, see here, can start with anything, but it should not end with this. We can actually lower it down. We can do here lower of city and then check the ending, but that's okay. This works fine. Okay, I just don't want to mess up, so that's why. Or else you can use a lower function here and then do it. Okay guys, let's check the rank. We have already come across. Wow, congrats, second star. We have got the second star, and let's go and check our rank after. Let's refresh this. Wow, 175 is the next target. So see here, points 180 points we have reached. We have just crossed 175. So here if you see, the rank is 1054269. 1054269. Yeah, 1054269 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we started at 22.7 lakh, and just in few days we have come to 10.5 lakh. What an amazing, yeah, 12 lakh. amazing work here to here. Just few queries and you have reached this far. So let's by the end of completion of these SQL queries, we will mostly be in few hundreds. So please guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubts or any queries, if you want to make any specific videos, please put it in the comment box. And if you have come to this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video, and let's solve more HackerRank problems.